Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to log in to WeChat. So in order to log in, you must first own the application and have account. I already have both, so I'm directly gonna go and tap on my application. So once you tap your application, you get to this page where you have two options where you'll have to go and tap on login. So once you tap on login, you get to this page. You'll have to go and tap on region. When you tap on region, you'll get to these country names where you'll have to go and tap on your country name. So once you tap on your country name, next you'll have to type your phone number. So once you enter your phone number, you'll have to tap on accept and continue. You'll have to type your password now. Once you type your password, you'll have to go and tap on login. So now here you'll have to pass WeChat security. So in order to pass, you'll have to slide to complete the puzzle, and once you're done, it says verification passed. Now since I'm opening for the first time in this device, I'll have to verify, and to verify I'll have to tap on start to verify. So now you can verify through anything. I'll be verifying via SMS verification code. So I'll tap on via SMS verification code. Once you tap there, you'll have to wait till the WeChat sends the verification code. So you'll have to go to your messages and search if WeChat has sent any code. So mine has already sent, so I'm gonna copy the code and gonna paste here just beside SMS code. So you'll have to do it within the time frame and tap on submit. Verification successful. Now tap OK to log into WeChat. So here you can see how WeChat has been logged in without QR code. So that is how you log in without QR code. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for joining in.